Hello, and a warm welcome back to Health Tips. We all love our dogs and strive to provide them with the best possible care, including their diet. But have you ever wondered if there are certain human foods that can actually benefit your beloved dog? In today's video, we'll explore the top 10 human foods that are not only safe for dogs, but also offer significant health benefits. It's worth noting that introducing these foods should be done with careful portion control and moderation. So if you're curious to discover the surprising human foods that can have a positive impact on your dog's health, you've come to the right place. Let's embark on this journey together and ensure that your furry friend receives the love, care, and nutrition they deserve. Let's get started. Number 1. Carrots. Carrots are a crunchy and nutritious vegetable that can make a healthy addition to your dog's diet. They are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great option for dogs looking to maintain a healthy weight. Carrots are also rich in vitamin A, C, and K, as well as minerals like potassium and beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body. These nutrients can promote eye health, support the immune system, and can contribute to overall well-being. You can serve carrots to your dog raw or cooked. Cut them into small bite-sized pieces to make them easier to chew and digest. Carrots can also be a tasty and satisfying snack for dogs, providing a satisfying crunch while also helping to clean their teeth. However, as with any new food, it's important to introduce carrots gradually into your dog's diet and monitor for any signs of digestive upset. Number 2. Unsalted peanut butter. Peanut butter is a favorite treat for many dogs and can be a healthy option when chosen wisely. Opt for unsalted and natural peanut butter without added sugars or xylitol, which is toxic to dogs. It provides a good source of protein and healthy fats. Moreover, peanut butter can be a clever way to administer medications to your dog, as they often eagerly lick it off a spoon or use it to fill puzzle toys, promoting mental stimulation and engagement. However, it's important to give peanut butter in moderation to prevent weight gain, considering its high fat content. Additionally, take into account the size and calorie needs of your dog. For small dogs, a small amount of peanut butter can have a significant impact. Number 3. Eggs. Eggs are a nutritious and protein-packed food that can benefit dogs as well. They're an excellent source of amino acids, vitamins, and minerals. Eggs can promote a healthy coat and skin, support muscle development, and provide essential nutrients for overall well-being. You can serve eggs to your dog boiled, scrambled, or as a topper to their regular meals. Ensure that the eggs are cooked thoroughly and avoid using any seasonings or additives. It's important to note that some dogs may have allergies or sensitivities to eggs, so it's recommended to introduce them gradually and monitor your dog's response. Number 4. Seedless watermelon. On a hot summer day, treating your dog to some seedless watermelon can be a refreshing and healthy option. Watermelon is low in calories and provides excellent hydration due to its high water content. Moreover, watermelon is rich in essential vitamins A, C, and antioxidants that can support your dog's immune system and overall health. However, it's important to remove the seeds and peel before offering watermelon to your dog to prevent choking hazards and potential digestive issues. To ensure moderation, serve watermelon in small bite-sized pieces as an occasional treat, as it contains natural sugars. This will allow your dog to enjoy the benefits of this delicious fruit while maintaining a balanced diet. Number 5. Bread. Bread can be a safe and occasional treat for dogs, but it's essential to choose the right type. Opt for plain, unsalted, and unseasoned bread without any added ingredients like onions or garlic, as this can be toxic to dogs. While bread provides carbohydrates for energy, it should be given in moderation due to its high calorie content. Additionally, bread should not replace a balanced and nutritious dog food diet. Keep in mind that some dogs may have wheat or gluten sensitivities, so it's important to monitor your dog's reaction when introducing bread into their diet. If your dog shows any signs of digestive upset or allergies, it's best to avoid bread altogether. Number 6. Coconut. Coconut, in moderation, can be a nutritious addition to your dog's diet. Both coconut flesh and coconut oil can provide various health benefits. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, which can support skin health, boost the immune system, and improve digestion. Coconut flesh is rich in fiber and can promote healthy digestion. While offering coconut to your dog, make sure to serve it in small amounts as it is high in fat and calories. It's important to monitor your dog for any signs of digestive upset when introducing coconut, and if your dog has a history of pancreatitis or other fat-related issues, it's best to consult with your veterinarian before adding coconut to their diet. Number 7. Popcorn. Popcorn can be a fun and healthy snack for dogs when prepared in the right way. Plain air-pop popcorn, without any butter, salt, or seasoning, is the best choice for your furry friend. It is low in calories and a good source of fiber. The crunchiness of popcorn can also provide a satisfying texture for dogs. However, be mindful of the popcorn kernels, as they can pose a choking hazard. It's important to supervise your dog while they enjoy popcorn and offer it in small bite-sized pieces. As with any diet, moderation is key to prevent overconsumption and potential digestive upset. Number 8. Salmon and shrimp. Salmon and shrimp are excellent sources of lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which can benefit your dog's overall health. These nutrients can support joint health, promote a shiny coat, and boost the immune system. When feeding salmon or shrimp to your dog, ensure that they are fully cooked and free of any seasoning or added ingredients. It's important to remove any bones from the salmon before serving. Introduce these seafood options gradually into your dog's diet, starting with small portions, to monitor their response and to avoid any potential digestive upset. Remember that some dogs may have allergies or sensitivities to seafood, so it's always best to consult with your veterinarian before adding these foods to their diet. Number 9. Blueberries. Blueberries are a nutrient-rich fruit that can provide numerous health benefits for dogs. They're packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. The antioxidants in blueberries can help fight off free radicals and support a healthy immune system. Additionally, the fiber content aids in digestion and promotes regular bowel movements. Blueberries are low in calories, making them a guilt-free treat for your dog. Serve fresh as a treat or mix them into your dog's regular food. As with any new food, introduce blueberries gradually and observe your dog's response. Remember to wash them thoroughly and remove any stems or leaves before offering them to your furry friend. Number 10. Green peas. Green peas are a nutritious vegetable that can be a great addition to your dog's diet. They're low in calories and high in fiber, making them beneficial for digestion and weight management. Peas also contain vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like potassium and iron. The small size and soft texture of green peas make them easy for dogs to chew and digest. You can serve green peas to your dog either raw, cooked, or frozen. Avoid using canned peas as they may contain added salt or seasonings. Consider mashing or lightly steaming the peas for easier digestion. Introduce green peas gradually into your dog's meals to assess their tolerance and ensure they do not cause any gastrointestinal upset. In summary, incorporating these human foods into your dog's diet can positively impact their health and happiness. From the natural goodness of carrots to the nourishing benefits of salmon and the refreshing delight of seedless watermelon, these foods offer a variety of nutrients and flavors that can enhance your dog's meals. It's important to choose wisely, considering safety, moderation, and your dog's individual needs and reactions. By sharing these special treats with them, you not only provide delicious moments, but also deepen your bond and prioritize their overall well-being. So go ahead, indulge your furry friend with the goodness of these human foods and witness the joy and vitality they bring to their life. Don't forget to check out our 12 Foods That Will Kill Your Dog video as well for more tips and hacks. And with that, we've reached the end of today's video. If you enjoy the amazing content, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Health Tips. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Remember, as always, your health, your life, your priority. Thank you for watching. Cheers!